That's the last. Hello and welcome back to my channel, my friend. Today I will show you how I draw the Addams Family digital painting. So first I made the line art and sketching, and I separate every characters with their own layers, and then I browse their photo for my reference. I open the MGM website and then I search Meet the Addams on their Instagram channel. And hey, what is this? My artwork is on their Instagram. Yes, you can watch my artwork on their Instagram. I will share the link on my description below. And for me it is fun that I made this artwork because I like their funny characters and background. And I also added the water gun, the summer party accessories like the flower necklace, the coconut. And yes, because the story of this digital poster is how this family on their summer party on the beach, and then Wednesday Addams took their selfie picture. And sorry, I forgot about Lurch. Ciao. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting artwork. See you guys.